In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sentiment fundamentals in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the steps, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open for the market or symbol you want to analyze. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset, as long as it supports the data we're going to use. First, look towards the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled simply as Indicators and sits above the chart area. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and data overlays. Once that panel is open, you'll see several categories on the left or across the top, depending on your layout. Here, we want to focus on fundamentals because sentiment is grouped within that area. Find and click on the Fundamentals section. Fundamentals in TradingView typically include things like earnings, financial ratios, and other company or asset level data. But they also serve as a gateway to some sentiment and social tools that help you understand how traders and investors are feeling about a particular asset. After you've opened fundamentals, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the social category. This is where TradingView organizes data that comes from the community, social media, and other activity-based metrics. Click on Social to filter down to tools that are more about what people are doing and saying, rather than just what's in the financial statements. Inside that social section, look for anything labeled Sentiment. This is the key part. Click on Sentiment to add it directly to your chart. Once you do this, TradingView will overlay sentiment data on your existing chart, either as a separate panel below the price or as an additional line or indicator, depending on how that specific sentiment tool is designed. From here, you can hover over the sentiment indicator to see more details, or tweak its settings by clicking the settings icon next to its name in your indicator list. Adjust things like colors, display style, or time frame so it matches the way you like to analyze the market. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and want access to these kinds of tools, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up, and then follow these exact steps on your own charts.